Ekaleo, Ekaleo, Ekaleo. It's night, and it's time for nighttime prayer. This night, don't allow fear because of heavy winds blowing or hard rain falling to keep you up, allowing you not to sleep. This should be the time where those sounds of raindrops falling, heavy winds blowing, to be a tranquil mindset for relaxation. So relax, sleep, close your eyes. You know I say sleep is a rejuvenation. It's time to rejuvenate your body through rest. It's time to heal from inside through sleep. So I request, close those eyes. Relax that mind. Fall into your pillow. Fall into your bed and sleep like baby. I'll see you in the morning. Remember, I love you. Odaro.